everyone! Welcome to my cooking channel Japanese Food at Home. I'm Chef Reina from Japan. This time, I'm gonna show you how to make sweet potato mochi. In Japan, sweet potatoes are abundant at supermarkets from September to March. So today, I'm sharing my own twist on a Japanese snack, blending sweet potato and mochi into something easy, unique, and delicious. While this is not a traditional recipe, it's so simple and satisfying that I think it could be the next go-to autumn treat. Okay then, let's go through the ingredient list. To make sweet potato mochi, you need a sweet potato and a piece of kirimochi, also known as cut mochi or pre-cut rice cake. Sugar, milk, salted butter, and pecans will be added to the mochi dough, and potato starch will be used to dust the surface. Maple syrup is for drizzling over the final product, but this is optional. So now let's start by toasting the pecans. Spread the pecans over foil and toast them in a toaster oven for about 5 minutes or until they start to brown and a nice aroma is released. If you don't have a toaster oven, dry frying the pecans also works. After that, coarsely chop them. And set aside until ready to use. Next, work on the kirimochi. It's usually packed individually like this, so take it out and cut into small pieces so they will get soft quickly. Then set aside. So now let's work on the sweet potato. After peeling, cut off the discolored end. Then cut into chunks. Sweet potatoes rapidly discolor, so transfer them into a bowl of water immediately. After that, drain the water. Then loosely cover the bowl with a plastic wrap. No need to pat dry the potatoes, you can leave them wet. Then microwave at 600 watts for 4 minutes. Insert a skewer to check if the potatoes are tender. Next, dampen the rice cake chunks with water before adding them to the bowl. Add the sugar, milk, and butter. Cover with a plastic wrap again. Then microwave for a further 2 minutes. After that, using a potato masher, combine all the ingredients well while mashing up the sweet potato and rice cake chunks sufficiently. Once they are incorporated and become a uniform paste, clean up the masher with a rubber spatula. Then fold in the pecans. Next, divide the dough into 12 portions. And roll them into small balls. Arrange them on parchment paper, then dust the surface with potato starch. With your palms, flatten the mochi ball a bit until it is 1.5 centimeters thick or so, and brush off excess starch. Repeat this process for the rest of the mochi balls. So now it's time to saute with butter. Preheat a frying pan over medium-low heat. Add 5 grams of butter and grease the base. Arrange the sweet potato mochi in the pan and saute until golden brown, occasionally swirling the pan to brown them evenly as they absorb the butter flavor. Look, nicely browned. Once you've finished turning them over, add the other 5 grams of butter and do the same for the other side. When both sides are nicely browned, transfer them onto a sheet pan lined with a paper towel and drain excess butter. Alright, this is how to make sweet potato mochi. Finally, drizzle some maple syrup and enjoy the contrast of the crisp outside and the soft chewy inside. This quick and easy snack is packed with earthy, nutty, and buttery autumnal flavors. I hope you will try this recipe while sweet potatoes are in season. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Have a great day with delicious food. See you next time.